Hey guys, welcome back for another video. You may have come across the scenario where you were listening to music on your OnePlus Buds Z, but for some reason you had to disconnect them for a period of about 10 minutes or more, and then when you try to connect back to it, you just aren't able to connect. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why this problem happens and also how to solve it. But before we move ahead, please do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest videos. Now, the way the OnePlus Buds Z works is if they've been out of the charging case but disconnected from any device, that means if the OnePlus Buds Z are not in the charging case and they're not connected to any device for a period of more than 10 minutes, then the buds automatically power off. They shut down. And then if you try to reconnect your phone or any other device to the buds, your phone would just not be able to connect to the buds. Now if you look at the buds, there's no power on button. You have the touch surfaces, but there's no power on kind of configuration that exists for these touch surfaces. And in this situation, unfortunately, there's no way to power on the buds without putting them back into the case. Now what that means is if you're out and about and you're not carrying your charging case with you, and if your buds are disconnected, there's just no way for you to reconnect to the buds. Now this can also be confirmed on the OnePlus support website, and the link to that I have put in the description, where it clearly says that if the buds have been disconnected for more than 10 minutes, the only way to reconnect is to put them back in the charging box, close the cover, and then open it again to reconnect them. So to reconnect, simply open up your charging case, put the buds back into the box, close it, reopen it, and then when you take the buds out of the box, you will be able to connect to them via Bluetooth once again. Now this, in my opinion, is a major limitation, because of which you always need to have the charging case with you when you're traveling, even for a short amount of time, because once you disconnect for more than 10 minutes, you're not going to be able to reconnect without putting the buds back in the charging case. I hope you found this video helpful. Do leave a like and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.